Basic versus Advanced English. 1. Very poor, destitute. 2. Very cheap, stingy. 3. Very short, brief. 4. Very clean, spotless. 5. Very difficult, arduous. 6. Very dry, arid. 7. Very quick, rapid. 8. Very bad, awful. 9. Very smart, intelligent. 10. Very sad, sorrowful. 11. Very upset, distraught. 12. Very cold, freezing. 13. Very strong, forceful. 14. Very huge, colossal.